Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you and God bless you. Yeah, if you are new to the channel, my name is Chisom Ene. In this channel, I teach about hair growth, how to grow your hair and manage it properly, to retain length, and how to sew clothes. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, so I'm going to be making my leave-in conditioner or leave-in spray for non-stop hair growth today. Okay, I'm going to be using 3 things to make the leave-in spray that will help to moisturize my hair and stimulate hair growth. All right, so this is my 13 weeks post relaxer. I already have so much new growths on my hair. Okay, this is it. So I normally stretch my relaxer for 16 weeks, that's 4 months. You know, the last time I relaxed my hair was on June. So I'm supposed to do my relaxer touch-up next month, that's October. Okay, but I've decided to do something different, you know. So I'm going to be growing my hair on a protective hairstyle from now till December. So that means I'm going to be stretching my relaxer for 6 months this time around. You know, I like experimenting with my hair. Okay, so I also noticed that my hair grows faster on a protective hairstyle. That's why I'm going to be growing my hair on a protective hairstyle from now till December. Okay, it means that the washing, deep conditioning, the leave-in spray, everything I need to do on my hair from now to December will happen on a protective hairstyle. Okay, so by December we're going to be checking the length just to know how much new growth I'm able to achieve. Okay, so just in case you want to join me, you can make any protective hairstyle of your choice. I'll be doing a lot of treatments week by week on my hair just to grow our hair from now till December. So if you want to join me, you can make maybe cornrow that will be easy for you to put on your wig. All right, let's do this hair growth challenge. So I'm going to go ahead right now to prepare the leave-in spray. So if you are interested, please continue watching and make sure you watch to the end. Thank you. So guys, the first thing we need for this treatment is fenugreek. Fenugreek seed is rich in iron and protein, which are essential nutrients for hair growth. Fenugreek seed possesses anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, which helps to prevent dandruff, itchy scalp, and every other scalp issues. Okay, it helps to moisturize the hair and the scalp. It also improves hair growth and thickness. So I'm going to measure 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder. Then I'm going to pour in hot water inside the fenugreek. Yeah, I'll leave it for 1 hour so that the nutrients will infuse into the water. You can decide to leave it overnight, so it's entirely your choice, but for now I'm going to be leaving it for just 1 hour. So I'll set it aside. So the second thing we need for the leave-in conditioner is onions. Okay, onions is great for hair growth. It contains sulfur, which is good for hair growth. So I'm going to cut it. I'll put it inside this plate. I'll be making use of 1.5. Yeah, the last but not the least, this is the last thing we need for this leave-in spray. Okay, apple cider vinegar. It is very helpful in hair growth. It used to balance the pH level of the scalp. It's good for hair growth. So I'm going to pour in 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar will also help to stop the smell that comes from this onion. Okay, you know, it's going to be a leave-in conditioner, so I don't want to struggle with the issue of smell, onion smell. The smell can be something else. So to avoid that, this is how I will do it. I'm going to allow it here inside this to stay for just 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Okay. So I'll go ahead and strain the juice out. Yeah. This is our fenugreek seed. This, after 1 hour, you can see how it is now. By now, the nutrients has infused into the water. Okay, so I'm going to strain it out now. So this is it. Yeah, you don't need to throw this one away. I'm going to use it. I'll use it to prepare hair mats tomorrow, and I'll use it on Divine hair. I'm going to put a few drops of essential oil. This is tea tree essential oil. Okay, just a few drops. Please, you may want to try it out. I'm going to be spraying this on my hair every night for 1 week. Okay, so after 1 week, I will prepare another treatment for my hair. That is what I'll be doing from now till December to grow my hair. So you need this treatment. Please try it out. There's no smell, there's no odor. Use it for your leave-in conditioner, for moisture, for strength and thickness. It will combat any form of hair issues, okay? Dandruff, itchy scalp, fungal infections, and every other hair issues, okay? So please try it out. It's great for hair growth. I'm going to be storing it in my fridge, okay? So I'm going to pour it inside this spray bottle. Then I will show you how I use it on my hair. Yeah, this is it. I'm going to take it one after another. I'll spray it on the entire hair. All right. Yeah. If you have not seen how I prepared the hair growth butter, please check the video out and learn how to prepare it, okay? It is very, very effective for hair growth, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to share it, okay? Till next time, for now, it is bye-bye.